Hello, hope my screen is visible. Let's see how many of you guys are there. Okay. Good afternoon. Hello, hope my screen is visible. Just confirm me whether my screen is visible or not. And if my voice is audible, is my voice audible? Okay, let's start with. Okay, thank you, Yusuf, for the confirmation. Okay, let's start with the today's analysis. Today's Euro USD. Today, what I can see is that I not have any clear bias. Okay, in Euro, or to be specific, in any other pair. Okay, why? I guess why it is so, because there is no clear direction for DXY, and and I am not able to find bias in daily time frame. So that is the reason I'm staying neutral as of now. Okay, and what I can see right now is that let's go to the daily time frame in Euro. What I can see is that price failing to close above these highs, but it also left this equal highs. Okay, that is the concern. And the next thing is that we might retrace, but I'm not able to get that conviction. Okay, too short or too long to be, I'm not able here. Okay, and we talk about gold. Still no trade here again. BTC was looking good. So BTC, if price to like give us some reaction around this 4-hour key level, then only I'll be looking for shorts around these areas. But still I'll be waiting for the confirmation. What I can see is that there's two equal highs and there is a fair value gap. So the trade idea is it will be scalp trade. It will not be a short term trade. It will be scalp trade. Price taking out these highs and moving lower, tapping this key level. So we will be hello Adi. So we will be monitoring this trade. Okay, in Bitcoin. Looking for shorts around this area. Okay, keeping in mind this range to play out. Okay, the price tapping this fair value gap and the key level, and also closing below this huge candle is enough. Now this can be a drawn liquidity, but I'm not targeting so long. Just a quick scalp from that 4-hour key level. Okay, and I'm also waiting for 3 o'clock 3 a.m. Let's see how it's going to be at 3 o'clock 3 a.m. Okay, in Euro also looking for around these key levels to see some reactions. This is a high probability order block. Price expanding higher. This is a high probability order block because it took out the liquidity. Okay, and expanding higher, breaking highs. So I'm expecting rejecting lows and moving higher. Okay, so that would be my idea as of now, but I'm not having that much of conviction. USD CAD, I'm bearish in USD CAD as well, but let's see. Price has to show some bearishness before anticipating anything else. Okay, let's go to Bitcoin only. So Bitcoin, let's monitor, let's wait and watch and see how can we take out the benefits from this key level I'm marking this 4-hour order block as a key level. This is so around 3 o'clock will be the closing price of this 4-hour candle. So maybe next candle will expand higher, tap the key level or take out this high before moving lower. Let's see. Showing some bearishness as of now. Any doubt? We have Nivas, Sridhar, we have MSS and ABC in day candle. Which pair you are talking about, Nivas? Which pair you are talking about? Check USDT CHF for PD longs. Okay, longs. Okay, let's see USD CHF for longs. In 1 hour time frame. Yeah. Okay, I guess this one I predicted or what. Yeah, perfect. This one we talked about this on 21st Jan, right? And see how it played out. Good, gorgeous. Let's go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, okay, there is looks like a CRT here, but tapping this rejection block, so this can be your RB. Okay, this is your rejection block, so maybe we can move higher, but I'm not confident because there is no PDA to target, right? If what PDA, which will you target? You can target this fair value gap, right? But this already been tapped, so I'm not that much confident. Okay, so you're talking about NQ. NQ, or someone was talking about Euro USD. We have MSS in 1 day time frame. Where is MSS in 1 day time frame? No, price did not close above, na? So if price did not close above, so then there is no MSS. It has to close above. Price can wick and it can again move lower. So to have a MSS, price should close below or close above by body, not by wick. Okay, this is how I use. But for more 10 minutes or 9 minutes we have, maybe I'm expecting price to engulf this. If it is engulfed, then it is bullish. Then if it doesn't, then we can move lower to this fair value gap. Okay. NQ, GBP USDT, please. Okay, let's check this out. GBP USDT. Again, GBP USD price taps this fair value gap. Okay, this is a 2 upclose candle that can be your order block. Right now, what are the draw on liquidity? I'm not able to find out draw on liquidity. It's okay if you don't able to find the draw on liquidity. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, the only thing key level which I have is this order block. Okay, so maybe price reacts from this fair value order block, then it's okay to move higher, and until then I'll be staying out from this pair. Okay. GBP USDT NQ. Let's start from NQ. My bias was bullish yesterday, but I'm not able to catch the trade. It's okay, but I'm looking at this key level right now. Okay. Yesterday just missed by few points. This is a good key level. Last low before this down close candles. So there will be a lot of trap traders will be there. So this can be a good area to look for scalp shorts. Okay, and right now a price coming back, so let it retrace. Okay, let it retrace and only able to see what price is like to do. Okay, but my area of interest is this. Okay, this, if you go to daily, mark out this low and see how price reacts from that level. That is good. Let's go and check out again. Go to euro only because we are focusing on euro today. I'm anticipating higher prices. Okay, but only if we close above this candle, right? The candle that takes out the liquidity, so that can be your order block. Okay, and also if euro is going higher, then we anticipate USD CAD to move lower. Okay, so let's see how it is going in. And again, Bitcoin, I'm also looking for price to tap this key level, that is an odd block here, and the fair value gap, it might get created. So if you go to 2 hour, there is a 2 hour fair value gap, so we can look for scalp short here, taking out this highs. It will be like turtle soup into this key level. Okay, so let's see, let's wait and watch. Patiently wait, you should patiently wait. Anything else you guys want me to do the analysis? So you can share your comments. There are only 4 likes. Why, guys? There should be on 28 likes. 28 people watching right now, so I'm anticipating 28 likes, huh? Okay, Monique is saying gold. Yes, we'll be doing live in the evening as well. Today I'm free. There's nothing to trade according to my bias and strategy, so that's why I'm doing live. Let's go to gold. Okay, let's go to gold. I have shared what I am trying to see in gold. Yesterday was price tapped this fair value gap. Okay, so do not try to trade what people usually do. They will try to trade from here to here, but that's not a high probability. Okay, so let price come to this fair value gap, and only if price is showing some bullishness, then you can go for longs. Else I'm anticipating if price come to this key level, then I'll be looking for shorts until this fair value gap. That is because that's extreme level, right? That is extreme level, and this is the last low where price broke. So there will be a lot of traders trapped here, so they might be closing their longs. So that's why we can anticipate some short coming here around this key level, and we also have a fair value gap here, so we can also mark this. Okay, so looking for short around this level only, else doing nothing. Okay, this key level, remember 2770.00, that is my bias. Gold again. Now let's focus to this pair only, Bitcoin and euro. See what it is doing. 5 minutes left for the London to open at 3 o'clock, and we'll be seeing. Okay, CRT USD CAD. Let's see, nothing so far from USD CAD. Okay, let's see if whether we can anticipate turtle soup here or not, but what I am trying to look for is turtle soup of these equal highs in 15-minute time frame and looking for short. Okay, let's see, I'm able to get it. So whatever the trade you will took, it should be in demo. I'm not suggesting you to trade in live account. Okay, the money you will lose is yours, the money you will make is yours, it's not mine. So you should be responsible for your trading actions you will take. Okay. More 3 minutes left, so we'll be waiting. Nothing to share as of now, so I'll be opening this chart here, and as well as let's focus on the euro only. Okay, because euro will be moving around these times. Okay, so until then I'll be remaining quiet until 3 o'clock. If you have any question, you can put your questions in the comment box and we can discuss. The pretty simple way to trade is to mark the key levels and wait for price to tag that key level. Until then you do nothing. That's the simple way to do. Okay, so let's wait for 2 minutes, and then we'll again see what is London has to offer. Okay. Hello guys, I am back. Let's see, it's 3 o'clock now, and what price has to offer. Okay, mm, nothing so far. Okay, let's see. If price doesn't give any opportunity, then we will close these streams and we'll wait for new session. Okay. Mm. Again, let's see. Yeah, it wicked the low right above here. So if price closes above this candle, then only we'll able to change our bias. Until then, we shall remain quiet. You have anything to say? Anything to ask? Is it how to find daily bias clearly? Is it possible to predict all the day, or will have to wait for clear indication to form near an APC? Do no? Yes, Raman, you are saying you are right. You cannot have bias all the day. Today I have no bias in any other pair. No, like if you ask me, I have no bias, and if I have no bias, then I will rather not engage in price action. So it is not possible to have bias every single day. Okay, this thing you have to put in your brain. What ICT traders or ICT give us is that you should have bias all the day, but no, it's not possible that you'll have the bias every single day. Okay, some I do not use in footprints and order flow charts, just highs and lows and fair value gaps. These three things I use. I'm using it since last 3 years, and so I do not need any other concepts to trade the market. At the end, it's all about probability. It's not about concepts. It's not the concepts. There are a lot of stories. If you want to hear some stories, there's a story of a trader. Hello, bro. Your voice is dull. Are you in sleep? No, Pradeep. I'm not in sleep. I'm speaking slowly. Now it must be loud and clear. Okay. I'm not in sleepy mode. Mm. It's not a trading. Is not a part-time job. Nah? You should not be sleeping and you will be trading at the same time. Yeah. So there was a story which I was talking to you guys. The story is that there was a trader who just went to a prop desk. Like there are a lot of traders are trading. There are multi-million traders and they're making millions of rupees. Okay. So he saw he saw and just peeped into their desk and on their chart, and what he saw was surprising. Okay, no, I'm not 17 or 19, I am 24. Okay, I'm not a kid, man. uh, okay, so you are interrupting between the stories. I just forgot. Okay, still nothing so far in this Euro USD, and thanks, yeah, thanks spray god. It's all about practice. You can also achieve the same thing, just need a little bit of practice and you are good to go. Okay, you need time on the charts. Silver bullet, I do not trade, bro. Silver bullet, same in GPP. Anything can happen. What price can do that? It will come and it will sweep this low, and check out this low and tap this key level and can move higher, or price can continue moving lower. So I can form biases both the side. Okay, so if I'm forming the biases both the side, then it's not a high probability trading day to trade. Okay, UJ, let's go and check this out. UJ is looking bullish, but still if you want to trade, then you should wait for this order block to get tapped. Generally you look for higher prices. Okay, it's already been filled. The order block has been, the fair value gap has already been filled, and it's okay. Looking bullish, maybe we can look for to target this fair value gap. So in this case I can form a bias upside, right? So if I see any retracement, if price comes and takes out this low, then maybe I'll be looking for, I'll be interested in longs. Okay, like this, targeting this fair value gap. So this is how I do. In this case I am able to find out a bias. So but still the bias is not in daily, in 4 hour. That is the reason I'm staying out. In case of Bitcoin, I'm still looking for price to tap this key level. Okay, this key level, and let's see, I'm waiting for price to hit that key level. Bro, in India, which state are you from? I live in I am from Bihar, but I stay in southern part of India. In Odisha I stay. let's wait and watch. If I do not see any opportunity to trade, so I'll be rather close the stream and will wait for a new session to open. Okay, you can monitor this thing, waiting for price to hit that key level. If it comes, then you can look and see how price is reacting from that key level. And Euro USD again, same thing. 3 o'clock has been opened. Generally it manipulates and move higher, and if I mark the opening New York open, midnight open, then it will come around here. And if I will mark, try to point out the, yeah, so this will be your Asia high. So price generally what they do, they take out Asia low and Asia high. This is also one concept, but I do not trade these concepts. Waiting for price to form a order block key level here around. Generally we can do anything else we should stay away. Perfect. Price is retracing like this. Good. And all of a sudden it will show some spike, and then it can move lower. So this is what you look for in price action. Anything else, you guys? Look how to, this is the right way. I'm not saying what I'm doing is the right way. There are multiple ways to trade the market. Okay, and you have to be confident in what you are doing. Okay, you have to be sure about what you are doing, and you should do the same thing again and again. It's not like changing the concept, changing the strategy. And look, what I will teach you in this live session is that I will form a bias in daily time frame, and if I see any trading opportunity according to the daily bias, then I will share those opportunities with you guys. Okay, and not only sharing the opportunities, I will be also trading that same thing in my account, in my trading account. Okay, so this will be my approach, and I think this is one of the good approach to trade the market, because there is a lot of opportunities in lower time frame, but that might not be a high probability opportunity. Okay, so in that case I always look for biases in daily time frame. If I can see a bias in daily time frame, then only I will go and execute in that pair in lower time frame. Okay, so this is the approach I do. Okay, because in this case I lose less and I win more. Okay, so if you are comfortable with losing, then you can trade in lower time frame, but I'm not that much comfortable. Okay, my mind is not made in such a way that I will accept losing 7 trades and winning 3 trades out of 10. Okay, so this is how I do. I look for small errors and high win rate. This is my way of trading. Okay, and this will help you to stop all the silly mistake you guys do. Okay, revenge trading, over trading, all these things can be avoided if you switch to the higher time frame. Okay, and if you're sticking to the 1 minute time frame, then it will be a noise, totally noise. You guys are looking into any pair? No, I'm not that much concerned about the daily fair value gap in UG. The reason is uh, if you go and see, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, there is a fair value gap here. What happens in such case? Good question, to be honest, Jigan. Okay, if you see such thing in the market, okay, there's a fair value gap, there's a bullish fair value gap here, okay, and there is a bearish fair value gap here, just at the top. So there are two opposite PDRs, the bullish and bearish, and both are the fair value gap. So in such case, you can anticipate consolidation. So price can consolidate here. Okay, both bullish and bearish FBC, price will react from those fair value gaps and it will contract. The price will remain in consolidation, and after this consolidation gets over, we can see some expansion, but we never know where the price is going to get expanded. So in such case, I usually avoid trading on those pairs. Okay, when I see consolidation at the top and at the bottom, fair value gap at the top and the bottom. So this is one of the observation from my side. Okay, now let's see, let's go to the euro again and BTC as well. Still price is not tapped, has not been tapped our fair value gap. I guess you got what I'm trying to say, Jigan. So shed some light on Indian market, right? You are talking about Indian market, Haryana and Haryana, am I right? Well, I'm not able to see your the other part of the. Can you just confirm you are talking about the Indian market? If yes, then we can also check that out. Okay. US market, bro. Okay, we're talking about US market. Nas, again, I told you that we are bullish, but right now I'm looking at these key levels, the key levels at the top, and price taking out the high. So we might also get anticipated turtle soup around here. Okay, but right now I'm not able to find out any bias in this pair out as well. So staying out will be my but how do we stream? How do you stream? I use OBS, bro, to stream. He said indices. Okay, thank you, because I'm not able to see the last part. Okay, so we see some retracement. We can look for let price retraces, then only we can see what price is trying to do. If price engulfs this, then we can I will be bearish. If price closes below this candle, then we might see some lower prices. Okay, and if price reject this low, then we can expect higher prices again. So everything depend upon this. Until then, I'll be as I said, stay out. Let's come to the euro. All the action is happening around here only. Okay, still look, price is inside this. This is your inside bar. A lot of candles are formed inside this candle. So I'm waiting for price to take out closes above this candle high in 1 hour time frame. And if I go and check the US, if you see GBP, there is a SMT, but if you see euro, this price fails to close below this, fails to come below this low. Now I'm expecting, let's see, then nothing can be said with absolute surety that I can't say, bro, because I'm using a MacBook to stream. That is for our inversion is providing get resistance in ES. If you want to, okay, let me see what about what ES is doing. Okay. Which, okay, let me, yeah, Vantage market is also good. Let's check this out. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, in this pair and nothing else. What you can possible that price will take out this high, and while NQ did not do anything else, so we can see some SMT between those two pairs. Where is which fair value gap, inversion fair value gap you are talking about? Okay, the tiny one, this one. When you see such fair value gaps, right now, look, bro, to be honest, I'm not able to find any bias in NQ so or SMP, so I rather stay out, remain out from this. Let's focus on this Bitcoin and Euro as well. So I'm just marking this, so we'll be focusing on Bitcoin and Euro as of now. Check, bro, in BTC 4-hour CRT. Let's check this out. Yeah, I saw 4-hour CRT. I just predicted. That's why I'm expecting higher prices till this key level, and price comes around this high, it's okay, because we also have this 4-hour order block. Yes, there is but I will not trade that 4-hour CRT. I would rather look for short. Look, the order flow is bearish. Huh? In 15 minutes, order flow is bearish, and if we go to 4-hour time frame, still it looking bearish. Price is disrespecting. Getting bullish PDRA, disrespecting bearish one, so you can say that order flow is bearish. So right now the only key level I'm looking at is this. God afternoon. Hi Chandrasekhar. Afternoon. NQ, Bitcoin, USD cat. Yeah, it is consolidating a lot. It should move now. The time has come to move higher. No, I do not trade futures, man. I only trade CFD, no futures. There are a lot of rules which is there in futures. I do not like personally. I do not like those rules. That is the reason I do not trade futures. Yeah. Let's see. I'm talking since long. Let's see what price has to offer. Bro, where are you from? I'm from India, bro. I'm from India. I especially waiting for good setup in daily time frame and finding some in lower. Perfect. That's the mantra. That's the holy grail, Aman. You got it right. Yeah. In this way you'll get low like lesser number of trades, but you will be mentally okay. Not be able, there's no need to constantly look into the charts while managing the trades. Okay, you will have peace, okay, and as well as freedom. What the purpose of trading is in lower time frame? If you'll ask me, whenever I ask to a lot of people what they say is that they are trading for freedom. They are trading for freedom of buying anything else, freedom of getting the time. But if you're trading to get freedom, then if you constantly look in the charts all the time, then how do you get the freedom when you make the money, right? So that is the reason I'm doing In India, where are you staying right now? I'm staying in Odisha, Katak, Bhubaneswar. I think you know. Subhas. That's the reason I am sticking to only a higher time frame. Uh, see, this 4 hour CRT is not a high probability CRT. Right now, I have explained this thing in the YouTube video. If you have not checked that, you have not watched, then go check that video out. You'll be able to know that why this is not a high probability CRT. That is the reason I'm looking for short around this key level only. And so far, nothing has happened. 22 minutes is already been passed after 3 o'clock. I guess there is nothing a lot to do right now. So shall we close this stream, because I'm not able to find any trading opportunities and prices are not moving. Okay, so maybe I saw a feature that for small movement. Yeah, you can make small money with small movement, but you can also lose money very fast with that small movement. Okay, don't fall into trap of fall into trap of making money quickly. That's a scam. That is just too much scam. Why people are getting influenced by trading in 1 minute time frame? Because of ICT. He influenced so many folks to trade in 1 minute time frame. Okay, so that's not the right thing to do as a beginner. 1 minute is like a drug. If you get addicted to it, then there is no going back. Nothing sober. Price is already inside this 4 candles. So nothing you can do. Okay, and Bitcoin is not. I'm anticipating price to hit that this key level, but still so far no luck in the London session. No, they only trade micros, not if something is aligned with higher time frame, then there will be less trading opportunities. Okay, you can trade with the macros, whatever you say, but it should be in the direction of higher time frame only. Okay, if you look, if you remember now, if you want to learn, you can go and check the last 2 stream back. The first stream which I did, I was anticipating higher prices, and this is how you should do. Okay, I was telling that if price will come back, then I look for longs, and that is a good area to look for longs. Price taking out the liquidity, creating a order block, then there you go, long here, and target high prices around here, and also till this fair value gap, these highs. Yeah, so in this case you will have mental peace. Okay, but if you're trading with macros, then God, 1 minute time, then God will save you. Can you explain more about midnight open New York time? No, bro, there's nothing. You don't need to know a lot of things. Just midnight open is the opening price which ICT use. But this is what I do not use that things. Just simple highs and lows, and that's all. Fair value gaps, order blocks. That is all you need. Okay. We'll be doing open US. I hope you are able to get something out of this. If it is not benefiting you, then it will. I rather not do the stream. Okay, still so far nothing. Say for euro, the high that has been left, actually intermediate high, So it is possible that price just leave the high and reverse down. Yes, anything can happen, Tokyo. I am not confident about any opportunities which is available in euro and any other pair, to be honest, because I am not able to find out the daily bias. Okay, so that is the reason I am not confident in any trade so far. So anything can happen. Yes, you are right, it can be this high got rejected, we can move lower, we can move higher. So far no bias. But right now keep looking into the 1 hour price action. If price closes above, then we can see price taking out this Asia high. That is be short term bias for few minutes, then other than nothing else. NQ gold, where is BTC? Still BTC not moving. Gold again, nothing so, but it is consolidating. Yeah, you are right, Tokyo. In daily time frame, if you go and see, I have already explained that concept. If you are right, yes, price rejected this intermediate term high. Okay, and why price does this reject this intermediate term high? If there is a fair value gap, there will be fair value gap in 3 days, 4 days. Okay, so it can reject and we can move lower. There is a lot of possibilities, but what I want to see, okay, let me make you clear. What I want to see, if price has to move lower, it should engulf this fair or like 4 hour candle, right? Let me remove all the transaction, I will understand. This is the candle which takes out many candle liquidity. Okay, so in this case I want price to engulf this immediately. Right now price did not engulf. Look how many candle it took, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So almost 1 day is over. Okay, so I want us to price to engulf this and expand lower. Okay, then only I'll be confident to look for shorts. All right, see how this is happened. It completely engulfed. This is the engulfing I'm looking for, but there is no engulfing so far. Yes, there is a red news which is coming today, so we might see some movement. I hope you guys can see my screen. Yeah, the forex factory. So this is at around this level, 9:30 p.m. we can where we can see this President Trump speaks. So this might bring volatility into the market, and also unemployment claims. So there are the two news. Okay, so it's not, this is my own time. Let me switch it to Eastern Standard Time, where it is. Yes, this one. So let me also 8:30 a.m. Okay, New York open. We can anticipate there's a news called unemployment claims. It's also good news. So we can price can brings volatility, like there will be volatility in the market. And also at 11 a.m. when President Trump speaks. So these are the two news which will bring volatility in the market. So as of now, the better is to stay out, okay, and observe the price action and wait for that news to be over. Or if you can able to find out your bias and drawn liquidity just before the news or after the news, then we can get into in the market. Okay, so what I'm doing is right now is that I'm closing the stream, and there are two things which I will say to observe. To observe whether price is tapping this key level is or not before moving lower. And again, one more thing is Euro USD, whether price is engulfing. If price engulfs this order block, okay, if engulfs this, then it will become an order block. Then we can expect higher prices at least until this Asia high. So this is the two things we can observe on tape read as of now. And if you don't want to tape read, then you can go and take some rest. Okay, and see you soon in New York session. Have a good day.